Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss what is IP routing. IP routing is the process of communicating to devices of a different network. It is used by routers usually. If routers receive a packet, they view the destination IP address of that packet and send it to the next host. Routers also determine the next host's IP address. To find the next hop's IP address, routers use routing tables. Example of IP routing. Here we have two PCs and a router. PC A and PC B wants to communicate to each other, but PC B is on a different network. So now PC A will send a packet which will be received by the router, and the router will check the destination IP address and send out the packet to PC B, which has the destination network. So this is how routers work. Default gateway. Default gateway is a router which hosts use to communicate to other networks. Consider the following example with a PC, a router and another PC. If PCB is on another network and PCA does not know how to reach PCB, then a default gateway is set, which means that the host should send the packet through the default gateway, and the default gateway will have a route to reach the destination, which means that the router will have a route to reach PCB. So now, what is a routing table? A routing table is used by routers to define a path to reach a respective host. A routing table consists of device address and subnet mask and IP address and interface of the router used to reach the destination. There are three types of routing, namely static, dynamic and default. We'll discuss about all these three types of routing in the upcoming videos. So now let's go to our Cisco packet tracer, and we have a network with a PC and a router. So click on the PC, and in the IP configuration you can see an option called default gateway. Here we can set our default gateway as the router's interface. For example, let's make it as 10.0.0.2, which means that the default gateway will be 10.0.0.2. So if you give enter and the IP address, if you give 10.0.0.1 and the subnet mask, and if you go to command prompt and give ipconfig, here you can see your default gateway has 10.0.0.2. So we have discussed about routing tables, default gateway and IP routing. Thank you.